Hi, I'm Erin, and I've been transforming hair and lives for over 30 years. Licensed since 1990 as a master barber and a cosmetologist, opened Simply Erin's in 2002, and that's 23 years of serving Cambridge. But here's what sets me apart. Here's my superpower. I don't just style hair, I educate you about it. I teach you why your hair does what it does, what products work for you, and how to maintain your hair at home. Recently, I got certified by Rezo and Kato Cut because your curls deserve the latest techniques. I never stop learning. And here's what I know. At Simply Errands, we educate, we empower, and we equip every single client. Because when you understand your hair, you feel confident every single day. Are you ready to start your hair education journey? Then call 617-547-8098 and let's transform more than just your hair.